damage is extensive. They've been buried here a long time.
Hull markings are barely visible. Must be the tanks that went missing back in the 80s.
Hatch is frozen solid.
It's bad, but the engine might still turn over. Get the chains, we're taking it with us.
Bringing it down slowly.
Hold it right there. We're securing the chains now.
Confirmed, the engine is destroyed and the tracks are corroded.
Sensors are broken and the turret is jammed. Armor is heavily rusted.
All right, team, let's begin the restoration.
The turret is lowered back onto the hull. New tracks are installed. Modern electronics and optics are connected. The tank is fully rebuilt.